Hello, namaste everybody. I am Dr. Manjunath G. Lamani, librarian, selection grade of Government First Grade College and PG Center, Dharwad, Karnataka. I am the participant of first online short-term course on soft skill development, which is organized by HRDC, Human Resource Development Center, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. This course was begin from 21st December 2020 to 27 December 2020. So in this particular course, I am able to learn so many things. Teaching, learning and research activity, we being the academician, what best can we contribute for our academic field. So I'm especially thankful for Dr. Jagdish Joshi, the director for HRDC Gujarat University and whole team of HRDC. I'm especially thankful. I'm able to learn so many skills and expertise of the resource persons, especially teaching ICT skills, communication and verbal, non-verbal communication, how to set the goal, how body, mind and soul will be, helpful for our personality development, how we have to manage the time, how the stress, how to overcome with the stress, and what are all the techniques actually. And for teaching and learning activity, the memory, particularly memory, how it plays a very important role. What are all the factors which influences to increase the memory power? What are all the PEG and AIR technique? How it will be really helpful for our memorization, or how to overcome with the forgetfulness of our memory, loss of memory, and how this teaching aids research activity, learning, and so many things. Particularly yoga and meditation, physical exercises, how these things really contribute to overcome with the stress, and how happily we have to live, how we have to overcome with the so many problems. HRDC has chosen a right resource persons. They are really gems in that particular subject area or the field of interest. Every resource person have shared their valuable opinion, shared their feelings, their experiences, life examples that really has motivated us. And HRDC team, they have created a WhatsApp group. So timely we used to get the schedules when the live sessions will be available, like. So we, all the participants have really contributed and very attentive in participating the online this particular short term course. And I'm much thankful to almost all the resource persons, particularly Parin Somani madam, Mamta Abraham Bhatt, Preeti Mahani, Mahesh Jivani sir, Dr. Jagdish Joshi, and all the administrators of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, particularly Jagdish Pujar sir, Sudhir Tandel, and Dr. Sanjay Raja, Bhavin Chauhan, Shivam Vyas, Komal Shah, and Kamayani Mathur on particularly psychology. Really, these factors have really helpful for our research and academic activity. I'm much thankful to everybody, particularly all the resource persons. Thank you very much for listening to me, and thank you.